There are few places in this world that compare to the Smoky Mountains. Something about these mountain ranges are just different. From the beautiful mountaintops in all of their glory, to the innumerable waterfalls. From the crystal clear cascading streams to the amazing wildlife that surrounds them. I can't help but believe that a divine creator was involved. Forest teeming with fauna and flora, we were able to have some pretty cool encounters, like a massive elk crossing the main road.
Oh my!
Seeing a mama bear and her cubs while on horseback.
There's the mom, there's the mom.
Yeah, they're all right there.
Oh, she's big.
And just your everyday squirrel. But there are secrets that lie deeper in these mountains. And that being the native brook trout. Nearly occupying all the streams of the Smoky Mountains in the early century, the brook trout was once considered the king of the stream. But due to early century logging and the introduction to non-native trout, nearly 70% of the population had disappeared. And so our fishing journey begins. We did many long hikes trying to find that perfect brook trout stream. Many of them we came up empty-handed. But after we hiked enough and did enough exploring, I think we found what we were looking for. It really was the perfect day.
Alright guys, I just caught a beautiful brook trout. Check it out. Probably a 9-incher. Alright.
Not describe to you how beautiful this fish was. It was everything I could have asked for from a small mountain stream like this. Thankfully, many local conservation groups have been conducting brook trout restoration projects throughout the Smoky Mountains. Because I can't think of any better way that I could spend my time connecting with nature other than chasing these fish. I hope one day that these brook trout can reclaim their grounds so they can be once again called the king of the stream.